Hello and welcome back. Okay, now our next pattern is going to be a skater's to free spin. Yes, kind of like ice skating, roller skating, something like that. Yeah. So we're going to go off into this kind of position where I'm actually head over, again, coming out of that little pancake piece where you can actually go slow to get into this as well. So what we're doing, our left foot is forward, my right foot is forward, and I'm on the inside rail. So here we are, and quick, slow, quick, slow, slow. Has a very similar look to the sweetheart, right? So let's do it again from this angle. Ready? And quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. Nice. So we're going to go toward the camera this time. Remember, guys, it's about taking the hand down below the waist. For more information on that and what to do in detail, go to the private lesson style videos. Okay? So here we are. Ready? And quick, slow, quick, slow. Nice. All right. So let's take it from the camera this time. All right. So here we are. Ready? And quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. Nice. Now remember, guys, always watch out for how hard or how light you lead. There's a little hint there for you.
And same for us.
Exactly. So if you want a little bit more information on why, private lesson style videos, okay? Go back and look at that. Watch this video over. Come on back for the next pattern.